Elton Brand now joins us. Elton, did you know that coming into tonight you were playing in your 900th game as well as Sean Marion being his 1,000th game?
No, we just found out before the game. I didn't know it was my 900th. It was Sean Marion's 1,000th game at all.
And now you get on the road for about a week or so, and Rick Carlisle's now 2 wins away from 500 in his career. Only 28 coaches to do it once he gets there. What are you more impressed by right now as far as the number side of things for yourself or for Sean or for the coach or for the team? What stands out for you right now?
Just Sean Marion's durability, playing all those games, 1,000 games, it's a lot of games. Dirk, he's passed somebody in the sparring, and coach is coming on what he's coming on, his milestones. So, it's longevity in this league is hard to do. So to be here this long and play so well, it's just testament to everybody's hard work.
And ironically, Dirk got into his 1,000th game a year ago against Phoenix on January 4th of 2012. You've now won 6 of 8, and in some ways, did tonight feel like it was a role reversal from Friday night where you had a big lead over Phoenix and they got close toward the end, but then you pulled away?
Yeah, it was a little bit of role reversal. We had a big lead, 21 points, let it slip. We didn't start the half particularly well, but we ended up winning the game, and that was what was important. And everybody contributed. Everybody had a good game for us.
Now, I know that Phoenix had played 4 of 5 coming into today, being on a back-and-back. What adjustments do you look for them trying to do when you meet them again in a few days?
Yeah, we know that they have some tired legs. 4 out of 5, back-to-back. It's always tough. So we expect a team with a lot of energy. They've been playing hard. They've been playing well under the new coach. So, we know it's going to be a dogfight out there.
Final question. I thank you for your time as always. Now that you're this close to 1,000, do you at least try to go for that in your career?
Oh, absolutely. Keep going till the wheels fall off. That's my goal. Just keep playing hard, keep trying to stay healthy, and just seize the moment.
Thank you for this time. Good luck to you, sir.
Because we know you've been there.